Filter cartridge, a true one-size-fits-all filter for the biOrb aquariums. Constructed out of acrylic 10 times stronger than glass, 50% lighter and 93% clearer. True 5-stage filtration, biological, mechanical, chemical, water stabilization and oxygenation. Item package weight, 1.1 pounds. Oase design products which make fishkeeping accessible and enjoyable to all. We will always strive to create the most stylish, aesthetically pleasing aquariums which are low maintenance and provide healthy environments for fish. Top reviews from the United States. Nice kit for my biOrb. This kit comes with 3 complete sets of the filter sets with charcoal and media to use in my tank. It also comes with the water optimizer to help keep it clean. I have been using the kits, some generic, some not, and they are always good.